Good day, engineers, and welcome back to another calculator technique video for vectors and analytic geometry. In this video, we will be discussing parallel and orthogonal vectors. So first, let us define what is a parallel vector. Parallel vector are also known as collinear vectors, which means that they lie on the same line. Okay, ito ang comparison ng non-parallel vector in same direction, and parallel vectors in opposite direction. Parallel lines are lines that never meet. So, kapag i-graph natin siya, hindi sila mag-meet. Itong isang graph, yung two non-parallel vectors, yan ay may mabubuong angle dyan na parang perpendicular. Yun, parang ganun siya. So, ang tawag dyan is intersection line. Dun sa concept sa atin sa geometry. Okay, let's have orthogonal vectors. In mathematics, two vectors are said to be orthogonal if they are perpendicular to each other. Ayun nga, sinasabi ko kanina, perpendicular ang orthogonal vector. This means that the angle between them is 90 degrees. Orthogonal vectors are also known as perpendicular vectors. Ayan, yung graph ng orthogonal vectors with a 90-degree angle. So, vector A, vector A and vector B. Okay? So, this is the code or mahalagang note para sa parallel and orthogonal vector. Kapag parallel vector, kapag pinag-cross product mo yung vector A and vector B or any two vector, dapat siya is equal to 0. And kapag naman orthogonal vector, kapag pinag-dot product mo yung dalawang vector, magiging equal to 0. Let's have question 1. Which of the following vectors are parallel? Para malaman mo kung aling vector and parallel, gagamit tayo ng calculator technique na i-store natin isa-isa yung vectors, then ating cross multiply. Okay, mode 8 vector A para sa isang vector lang, then 3 since tigtatatlo sila, ijk yan. So 1, 2, 3. Tapos, shift 5 para naman sa isang vector pa, vector B, tatlo rin. Letter A po tayo sa letter A. So, negative 2, 4, negative 6. Okay, press AC, shift 5, 3, vector A, cross multiply shift 5, vector B. Mali. Shift 5 ulit, vector B. Okay, since hindi 0 yung resulting na vector, meaning letter A is wrong. So, try ka ulit ng another choice. Baguhin mo yung data sa vector A. Gawin mong 1, 0, 1. Sa letter B na po tayo. Tingnan mo yung letter B na choices. 1, 0, negative 1 pala ito. Negative 1. Press AC, shift 5, data ulit. Sa vector B naman, negative 2, 0, and 2. Press AC. Then, i-replay mo lang. I-press mo lang to para ma-restore yung operation kanina. Press equals, ayan, 0, 0, 0. Meaning, meaning letter B has a parallel vectors. Yung pair nila ay parallel. Kasi 0 yung kanilang resulting na vector. Okay, so letter B is the answer in this one. So, question 2. The following vectors are given. A is equals to 3, 4, 0. B is equals to negative 4, 3, 2. C is equals to 1, 1, 0. Is vector A and B orthogonal? Tingnan natin kung orthogonal nga ba si vector A and B. So first, punta ka sa calculator, store mo yung dalawang vector, 8, vector A, tapos 1, since tatlo, then 3, 4, 0. Then, press shift 5 para sa isa pang data, vector B, tatlo rin. Then, negative 4, 3, 2. Press AC, then shift 5. Pag sinabing orthogonal, dapat pag dinat product natin yung dalawang vectors, siya ay 0. Okay? So, vector A, i-dot product mo ulit. Dot product, vector B. Okay. Equals, ang lumabas ay 0. So, meaning, itong vector na A na 3, 4, 0 and B na negative 4, 3, 2 are orthogonal. Okay? Orthogonal po sila. Tama ito. Thank you for listening to this video, and kung meron kayong questions, you may email me, and of course, you may send me a message on my personal Facebook page. See you in the next video.